Hello friends. Today is my continuing contribution to society. I'm going to teach you another drink. This drink is the Margarita, not the frozen margarita. I would love to teach you a frozen margarita, but my blender sucks. You have to have a really good blender to make a frozen margarita. I do not have that. So we are going to learn a classic margarita, which is a margarita on the rocks. Now, the first thing that you need is a rocks glass. That's the short one. The tall one is not a rocks glass. This is a rocks glass. Now, to make a classic margarita, the very first thing that you do is you take a piece of lime, you rub it along the edge of your glass a lot, and then you take a dish into which you have poured coarse salt. The coarse salt that I like to use is kosher sea salt. Now, you take the glass with the wet rim, you turn it upside down and you rub it into the dish with the salt. You do this so you get a salted rim. How professional does that look? You can do this at home, and trust me. All right, so now we have this. The next thing we're gonna do is put ice in here. I think that should be enough. Okay, now we're gonna assemble the drink. In order to make this drink, what you need is tequila, triple sec, also available in liquor stores, and lime juice. Now, you can squeeze your own limes if you want. I'm not doing that. Let me just discuss tequila for a minute. Now, this is Cuervo, the most basic level of Cuervo you can get. There's lots better tequilas. Cuervo has a lot of better tequilas than this. But when you are mixing tequila with triple sec, with lime, really with anything, there's no reason to waste good quality tequila on that. When you're making a mixed drink, don't waste your money on using like the best quality alcohol in it. If you're drinking it straight, if you were going to have a shot of this tequila, then I would say absolutely spend the money on a better quality of tequila, but not when you're mixing it with all this stuff, especially if you're mixing it with anything with juice, okay? We are mixing it with lime juice. If you're mixing it alcohol with any kind of juice, you are cutting out a lot of the flavor of the alcohol, believe me. So you do not need to waste your money with expensive liquor for this drink, or for any mixed drink in general. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, we're gonna think about this drink as a 4-part drink with 3 ingredients. Half of the drink is tequila, 1/4 of the drink is triple sec, and 1/4 of the drink is lime juice. So, we take our cocktail shaker, to which I have already added ice. Now, as I mentioned, a cocktail shaker is just basically a big cup. Mine is metal, it has a top. You don't have to have this stuff, but if you have it, it makes it easier to use. Okay, so I'm gonna pour a slow 3 count of tequila into the glass. And 1, 2, 3. Now, we're gonna do half of a slow 3 count with the triple sec. That would be a 1.5, right? Okay, so we're gonna go, let's see. 1, and that should be about right. We'll see. A little bit different with the lime juice because it doesn't have a regular pourer, so I'm gonna pour in, what I think is about appropriate. Okay. You take the top of your shaker, you put it on here, you shake it around. Again, why do we do this? We do this to make the alcohol cold. If you didn't do this, since most alcohol is stored at room temperature, and you pour it over the ice would start to melt immediately and water down your drink. You don't want that, right? So, you make the alcohol cold by shaking it up in the shaker. Okay. Okay, take it off. We don't want this ice to get in our glass, so we take our strainer. If you don't have a strainer, you can use something else like a wooden spoon, okay? Sorry, not a wooden spoon, a slotted spoon, okay? I happen to have a strainer. So, we're gonna pour it very carefully into our rocks glass. That's about right. Okay, we're going to take that squeeze of lime that we used before to run around the rim. We're going to squeeze it using our arm strength, okay? So that it's all the way in there. And then, if you like, you can sit it on the side. If you don't like that, you can drop it in. If you don't like garnish showing on your drinks, I happen to not like garnish showing on my drinks, you can just take it like this. Here is your perfect margarita. I'm telling you right now, I haven't even drunk it, and I know it's gonna be awesome. Wow. This is the way to start your afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just tell you now. Enjoy, drink up. Don't forget to tell me any drinks, ask me down here in the comments what you'd like me to teach you. I am happy to teach you anything you like. Have a great day.